Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Tahrim Naz, roll number 96, subject Research Method in Education, topic Background of the study, submitted to Sir Amjad. What is the background of the study? The background of the study is a part of a research provided in the introduction section of the paper thesis and chapter 2. A well-written background will provide your study with a context and promote the reader to read the rest of your paper. The background of the study establishes the context of the research. This section explains why this particular research topic is important and essential to understanding the main aspect of the study. The background forms the first section of research article, thesis, and justifies the need for conducting the study and summarizes what the study aims to achieve. The difference between the introduction and the background of your study. The first difference is that introduction is the primarily information about research. The background of your study is in-depth and explain why research topic or thesis is worth the time of readers. Second difference is that it is simply an overview the research question or the thesis topic. Then background of the study will provide reader with context to the information talked about throughout research. It includes both relevant and essential study. Third difference is that introduction is end with your research question aim and objective, where background of your study no need such a mandatory format. So, three background of study. Establish the connection of the need and relevance of your topic for the following. A. International. Cited some need and relevance of the topic for international community. B. National. Cited need and relevance of the situation for the country Philippines. C. Local. Cited need and relevance for the community where you will have your research. This is the sample illustration of the background. First and second paragraph is the international problem. In the third paragraph is the national problem, and the third paragraph is associated with the local problems. In the next, we explain why background of the study used. It provides a general overview of the topic of the study in the first paragraph to introduce the main idea. The researcher must search for the background information and probably cite all resources used. General information about your topic. The question arises that what is happening now about your issue you want to study. It is very clear, focused, accurate and detailed information to understand the concept of area that is being investigated during the study in the middle of the paragraph. In second, context of your study. This is the question. What are the conditions, setting and situation with respect to your topic? Who are directly or indirectly involved? Provided cited text in this paragraph, write questions and state purpose of the study in the last paragraph. Rationalize and justification of your topic. Why should we pay attention to your topic or the issue you want to study address? These are the questions of the justification of your topic. Why should we care about your topic? Why is there a need to focus on the topic? These are the questions of justification of your topic. In the next, I explain literature in background. Typically, the background of the study include a review of the existing literature on the area of your research leading up to your topic. Once you have discussed the contribution of the other researchers in the field, you can identify the gaps in understanding. That is area that have not been addressed in these studies. You can then explain how your study will address this gap and how it will contribute to the existing knowledge in the field. This is the sample of the background of the study. In the first paragraph, this is the introduction, and the second, third, and fourth paragraph is the background of the study. In the next, how to write the background of the study in the research. There are 7 steps of how to write background of the study. First step is that conduct primary research. You can visit a library, check the internet and other electronic databases to find primary sources. Second step is that read and gather the information. You should take notes and keep an accurate track of the sources of information you have used to this point. Third step is that develop and pen down research question or thesis statement. Write out your position or opinion as an authoritative statement. Fourth step is that complete your research. Use question and thesis statement as your guide. Fifth step is that work on structure. Create 5 different sections that have the key issues, major findings, and the controversies that are surrounding your research question or thesis, and also a section that provides evolution and a conclusion. Sixth step is that identify the further study that need to be done. Put them in the conclusion section. Mention possible solution to the issue that have not been put into the consideration in the past. And the last step, 7th step, proofread. You can also ask someone else to help you go through it. There are 7 steps to write the background of the study. What is the writing format you write on the background of the study? First, begin by giving a general overview of your thesis, topic and introduction, and the main idea you will be making use of throughout your thesis. Then, give the detailed and precise information about all the methodologies used in the research. This can take up to several paragraphs depending on the individual and research question or thesis topic. Cite your resources where necessary to avoid plagiarism. Then you can introduce the experiment by describing your choice of methodology briefly. Why I have decided to use this methodology instead of others, and the objective of the methodology. Thank you for the listening.